Let's talk about how to attach an elastic with a breakaway safety knot. I only have the upper elastic attached here, and the lower elastic has not been done. So this will make it easier to see since we're only looking at one elastic right now. So this knot, there are two pieces. There's a short piece and then there's the longer piece. The longer piece is fed through a small loop in the short piece, and when you give a sharp tug, it breaks away. So this is for anybody who is nervous about putting something around their neck. And then this just simply comes undone and you tie it again. So let's start off with our basic elastic. First we're going to tie a surgeon's knot here, and then we'll tie a surgeon's knot here. Notice that the short ends are going off of the mask. That's exactly what we want, both sides, short end going off of the mask. Surgeon's knot. One easy way to do this is to, as long as you have one free end, you can do this. You're going to create a loop toward your short end, create another loop toward your short end, tuck your short end through the loops that you made, and tighten. Make it really tight. Then make another loop and put your short end through there. Make sure that you pull really hard on this side because this is where the tension will be coming from. And this end needs to be long enough that when you pull here, this doesn't come through. All right, so we've got that. Now we're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to turn this around because it's easier for me to do it this way. So once again, loop, loop, put this through, tighten, short end goes up and over and through, pull. See how that wants to go through, so make sure you keep tension on this, tighten, and this knot will last a good long time. Now for the breakaway part of the knot, I use this tool because it's easier for me. If you can do this without one, more power to you. So I'll just wrap that up and around there. Okay, this lower part we will go over, behind, over, behind again, over, behind again, and it just needs to be fed through that little slot. See if I have enough room here. Haha, I did it. Pull that through. And pull on opposite ends. So now we have what we did before. This is your short end. Here is your breakaway end, the long end. That goes through there. Now we tighten this up by sliding this knot close to the other elastic. Make it nice and snug. You can still adjust the elastic here for this mask. Pull your long loop that way for a tighter fit, and this way for looser. And again, normal pull is not going to pull that out, but if you have an emergency of some kind, then it still comes undone. And that is how you attach your breakaway safety elastic knot.